This video will show you how visual big data analytics is used to evaluate data quality, specifically the maintenance of legal entity data, which are the clients or counterparties with whom financial organizations trade. There are many challenges in maintaining counterparty data. Overlapping relationships is one of them. A simple example of a relationship between counterparties is the parent-child relationship. One parent account could have multiple child accounts, for example, subsidiaries of a larger corporation. The complexity starts when there is an overlap. One child account is shared across two or more parent accounts. There could be multiple reasons for this overlap, ranging from shared ownership to a mistake in data entry. What we see on the left-hand side is a visualization of all parent-child relationships and how they overlap. Let's move down to some of the simple ones that don't overlap. This counterparty in red is in a three-way relationship. A closer look brings more insight. The thickness of the connections between each account could represent the strength of that relationship. Perhaps the number of transactions or trades that are active. Let's take a step back and review some of the overlapping relationships. This is important when considering counterparty risk. It is good to know whether or not the counterparty with whom you are trading is part of a larger group. This counterparty, in green, seems to have simple connections with others. In this case, a three-way. In this case, four. However, further exploration shows that it is much more complicated. From the same large dataset, we can derive more value. Down here, we captured the next maintenance date of all the accounts and laid them out in a calendar. The darkness of the squares represents the volume of accounts coming up for changes. This would be helpful for resource planning. On September 25th, there are only 61 accounts coming up for maintenance. But later that week, there are 5,000. Because Arcadia data connects directly to the raw data, one can explore it in multiple dimensions. In this video, we just showed 3 examples of pulling value out of big data: legal entity relationships, insight into counterparty risk, and resource planning.